Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on Microsoft Edge using your phone. So I'm going to open the app now, and this is the current wallpaper on the app. It changes every day. So there are two ways to switch your wallpaper. The first method is by tapping here in the top right corner, then tap on this edit, and you can also long press on the empty space. So after long pressing, you can see it has come up with this over here. Now you can tap this back button here. So I'm going through the normal method, tap on these two bars, tap on edit, and it's the same thing. So you can scroll right and left to find the wallpaper that are available. So after going through, maybe you don't find the one you want, but you have wallpaper on your phone that you want to use, you can tap on this gallery icon in the upper right corner, and then you can look for the wallpaper you want. So you can select any wallpaper from here as well. But let's say I like this one, so I will tap on it and tap on this tick button, and now as you can see our wallpaper has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.